Hello, hello. How are you guys doing? So Steven van der Paal here, and I'm here with two new cool updates. And I want to introduce you to your new, soon-to-be released dashboard. And I want to give you a sneak peek to the product builder we are working on. And we've been talking about that for a while, so I just want to give you a sneak peek there as well. But first, two updates I want to share with you that those are already live on production, so you can instantly use them. First one on the screen over here, we've added the option to set your SMTP ports. So here these are all standard ones, 25, 26, 25, 25, but you can also just define your own port. This is particularly handy if you run your own SMTP server and you have it on an older port than normal. This was requested by quite a few people, so we've added that quickly for you guys. And the second one is actually more of a background update, but huge still for everybody using the email marketing module. The speed of sending emails has increased significantly. So Neil has always been telling the dev teams like we need to increase the sending speed because that's important for deliverability and open rates and such. So we've been working hard on that, and the developers created a really cool solution, and now it's way faster. Our tests show over 100% increase in sending speed, and it's actually self-learning algorithm. So what happens with SMTP third-party integrations, like the one you're seeing right now for the setup page, the integration page, these are the slowest versions. So third party is always slower than SparkPost or SendGrid because those are API integrations. Those are the ones we recommend for now. We will be adding new ones, obviously, but like speed-wise, nothing beats the integration with either of these two. But for SMTP, third-party SMTP integrations, we now have an algorithm that basically increases the rate as long as there's no errors. So it basically goes faster and faster and faster until it hits an error, and then we'll dial back and we'll keep it at a safe level. We're learning ourselves, so if we are aware of certain SMTP parties that have like limits per second, per hour, per minute, per day. So that's kind of the issue, the difficulty with programming this, right? So a lot of SMTPs have different kinds of limits. So one might limit you can only send 10 emails per second, and the other might say no, you can only send 1,000 per hour. So we are all taking that into account, and in the back we have when we know a hard limit, we will enforce that hard limit, and otherwise it will default back to a self-learning algorithm that will make it go faster as long as there's no errors, and as soon as we get an error back, we'll dial it back. So that's really exciting news. So I hope you guys like that. And then I think the last video kind of showed it a little bit as well. I kind of showed off our new dashboard. So I think most of you might have already got a glimpse of this new really cool dashboard. I really hope you guys liked it. We got if I mean to remember correctly, we got some really good feedback there. As you can see, the different modules are renamed a little bit into smart funnels, smart products, smart memberships, smart mailer. But all the functionality will stay the same, and we'll expand it, of course, as well. And the smart products is, of course, something we've been working on for quite a while. So I kind of wanted to give you guys a sneak peek into that new really cool module as well. So let's have a look. As you see, it's just the same design as the dashboard, only the menu here is incorrect in this particular design. We already fixed this. There will be a drop down for jumping between modules, and then there will be a normal menu with the product overview, orders, and coupons. So as you can see, you can create new products here. You can activate and deactivate, edit them, see all the stats, and basically all the functionalities that need to be there, and add new product as well. So let's have a look at a new product creation. As you can see here, you can create membership products as before. Digital products, that's going to be completely new. And then after this is launched, we'll also soon try to add and a third one is going to be physical products, but we'll wait with that because we want to work with a few, like directly with a few of you that do physical products, so we really understand your needs, and then we can add that to the smart product builder as well. Second is product information, quite similar to what it is right now as to what you have to fill out, like all the standard currency, description, product image, product link. These are new product privacy URL in terms of service. We are enforcing these like right now as well in a new system, because we believe it's just really important for every seller to have those. Notification on sales and some special settings. These are only if you chose the membership product stuff. So then we have the new pricing and payment. We have the kyvio checkout that we were working on with one-click upsells, downsells, and some cross-sells, and then the normal integrations we already have with Thrivecart, JVZoo, Zaxa, etc. And of course the multiple pricing options. A pricing type, we'll be adding a cross-sell option only for the kyvio checkout as well, and the rest is similar as to what it is right now. As you can see here, for example, if somebody chooses kyvio checkout, you can either do either or use PayPal and Stripe, and yeah, just the same setup basically. Actions, really powerful options. We already have this right now as well. Yeah, just if purchased a specific variant, then do something. You can make this very, very powerful. So if you're not using this right now already, so definitely have a look at it. And then the last step is content delivery. This view here is for membership products, obviously, but we will create this one as well. Delivery by email, URL redirect, a file upload. So we'll host it for you, or post notification. That's kind of an IPN, if that tells you anything. That's a little bit more advanced for some of you out there. But yeah, you can just write your email or just do an email redirect. And of course, even while writing your email, there's the check spam score, preview and test functionality built in there as well. This is email redirect, file upload, and post notification with some security there as well, of course. So that's it. I really I hope you. Oh, this is actually orders, so that's not it. Let's continue a little bit further. So these are the orders, so you can see everybody who ordered anything from you, with an export to CSV functionality as well, some filter functionalities, and some actions to the payment itself. So you can cancel orders, cancel only, or cancel and refund. The cancel and refund depends on what integration you're using, of course. So for the kyvio with Stripe, and I think with PayPal as well, that will be possible that you refund something directly from our interface. But like with Thrive Teams, Thrivecart, or other integrations, that won't be directly possible. So that will only be available when possible. Order details, of course, so you can check out an order, what happened, and exactly what was ordered when, and stuff like that. And then the coupons, discount codes and stuff like that only will work with the kyvio checkout feature, because that's the one we can actually control. If you want to use Thrivecart or something else, you will have to use their coupon feature. A lot of them will have that as well. But yeah, over here you can just create your coupon codes for your customers, of course. And you can add and edit coupon codes as well, of course. Right, so that was it for this video. I hope you really like the new product builder. We're working very hard. As mentioned before, but I'll mention it again. First thing up is we're going to change the whole interface, of course. We're working very hard to create all the different views. As you can imagine, we have a very big application, so basically every screen you look at, which are hundreds and hundreds of screens, they need to be completely changed in the design. And there's a lot of technical stuff going on with that in the background as well. But in the meantime, we're also working on the product builder, which is a secondary high priority for us. And we really hope to release that as soon as possible. But yeah, that's it for now. I hope you really like it, and I'll catch you in the next video.